Cover your face in public. I've tried to tell you. Here's how to do it.
Hey, do-it-yourselfers. Are you sick of hearing about all this stupid virus? I am sick of it. Anyway, we're supposed to be now wearing something over our face. Alright? And when we go out in public. Faces like mine, I can see. But anyway, here's my answer. I didn't have a face mask a minute ago, but I got one now. Just like the bandits in the westerns, right? So if you don't have face masks, make yourself one, and I'll show you how. It's easy. I went and got myself an old t-shirt that never got worn, hardly ever. See it? I cut the little sleeves out of it. I end up with this. I stuck it over my big old head. It's already sewn for me. I don't need a sewing machine. All I need is a pair of scissors or a pocket knife or something. Alright. Put this around my neck. Keeps my neck nice and warm. Covers up my turkey neck. And ta-da! I'm ready to steal food. Actually, ready to buy food, okay? It does stay up pretty good. It's better if you don't have glasses, but hey, it works. It works really well if you got a big nose like me. So, there you go. Problem solved. You come up with your own ideas, your own colors, all that stuff, your own t-shirt, because who wants to smell somebody else's t-shirt, right? So, it's better than smelling the virus. And if you have the virus, hey, when you get home, you take this, doop, throw it in the sink, wash it, throw it somewhere. Or if you got lots of old t-shirts, just throw them away. But you can wash it and use it again. Simple. Doesn't cost you anything except an old t-shirt that you shouldn't be wearing anyway. So, cover your face.